frequently. But on the left, we see an example of the Scheduler Manager. And what we use this page for is to take a look at the jobs that are running in the background of CobbleStone. And this is broken into two areas, our email alert schedule and our data schedule. This is broken into a number of columns as well. We could choose to run a job immediately by clicking Run Now. If we click View for the line item, it gives us the history of when that job has run. Right in the middle, we've got the job name. Just to the right of that, we have the runs every in minutes. We can just see how frequently that job is set to run. Now, these various jobs and their timers are all configurable by way of the application configuration. So for example, contract emails, that lives under my contract jobs, and I could set the timer there from 30 to 60 or from 30 to 15, whatever minutes I happen to need. My recommendation is definitely to never set a job to run less than 5 minutes. Of course, because every job that's running has the risk of slowing down the application some. So the more jobs we have running at once, the slower the system could be at that moment. So we see the last scheduled run and the next scheduled run based on when we load it into the page. This is useful if we're in doubt that a job has fired, or if we have something incredibly important and we need that email, for example, to go out immediately, we could come in and click Run Now to have that fire rather than to wait for it to cycle. But again, we can configure the frequency in our application configuration config settings.